Wanna create a new Instagram account on your iPhone or Android? Here's how to do it. First, download Instagram from the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Open the app and tap Create New Account. Now enter your phone number or email. If you prefer email, type it in and tap Next. Instagram will send you a verification code. Check your email for the code, enter it in the app, and tap Next. Create a password for your account and tap Next again. And now save your login info by selecting Save Info or tap Not Allow. Now enter your date of birth, tap Next, type in your full name, then choose your username or pick a suggested one. Now agree to Instagram terms and policies by tapping I agree. And then add your profile picture and finish up by confirming a few prompts and allowing notifications if you want. And that's it. Now tap the profile icon to view your account. From there, customize your profile with a photo, bio, and any other details you like. And this process is same for your iPhone. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.